Hi everyone, welcome to this video. In today's video, I am going to show you how to design a fully responsive product registration page using HTML, Tailwind CSS, JavaScript, PHP, and MySQL database. Now, let's see the registration page. So, this is the product registration page. This page allows sellers to register new products with image uploading, validation, preview, drag and drop functionality, and responsive design. Let me show you. Now let's see the code. Here is my file called product register PHP. This page is only accessible to logged in users who are sellers. So first I'll explain the backend authentication logic. First, we check if a session is started. If not, we start sessions are used to track logged in users. This connects to the page to the database. This checks if the user is logged in. If not, it runs the auth-check file, which handles the remember me functionality. If the user is not logged in, we redirect them to the login page. This is role-based access control. Only sellers can register products. If a buyer tries to access the page, they are redirected. Very important for security. This fetches categories dynamically from the database. Instead of hard coding categories like design, programming, marketing, we fetch them from MySQL. That makes the system dynamic and scalable. Then we store them in an array. Now categories are ready to be displayed in a dropdown. Now we move to the HTML section. This creates full screen height, light gray background, padding top and bottom. This here, this centers the form and limits width for better responsiveness. This is how Tailwind makes responsive design very easy. This checks if a success message exists in the URL. If yes, it shows a green alert box. Background green 50, border green 200. Tailwind makes it beautifully instantly. Same logic for error message, background red 50, border red 200. This gives instant user feedback. This code is required for file uploads. We use JavaScript instead of normal submit. Product text field, required field 150 character limit, style using Tailwind classes, responsive automatically, and description field, large input, character limited, style consistently. This is very important. On small screens, one column, on medium screens 2 column that that is responsive design using Tailwind. Inside the grid we have category dropdown and price input. Here we use relative absolute positioning to create a prefix currency design. This improves UI professionalism. There are two dropdowns: beginner, intermediate, advanced. There are levels and status, active, inactive. Also inside a responsive grid. Now comes the best part: drag and drop image upload. This creates dashed border, hover effects, smooth transitions. We hide the default ugly file input. Instead, clicking the upload area triggers upload area at event listener. This improves UX. This allows dropping files. Then upload area at event listener. We extract the dropped file assign and assign it to the input. Professional professional level functionality. This converts the image to base64 and displays it instantly without uploading. That means better user experience, instant preview, no page reload. We validate only images allowed, and limit file size prevents server overload. Instead of normal for submit, we use product from at event listener. This prevents page reload. We collect all values, const form data, new form equal new form data. This is required for file uploads via Ajax. Then this sends data asynchronously, modern way of submitting forms. If successful, redirect and show success messages. Otherwise, show error message dynamically. Function show error message. This function displays red alert, scrolls to top smoothly, auto reloads after 5 seconds. Very user-friendly design. This is not just a simple form, it includes professional level features like image preview, role based access, validation, and responsive layout. Thank you.